Hi there. Are you a student looking for something fun to do over the summer? Sign up for the photography workshop at Knowledgeum Academy, where I, Pramukh Bajaj, will be sharing my in-depth experience and know-how as a professional photographer. With over a decade's worth of experience shooting genres like architecture, motorsport, still life and portraits, I am very excited to be able to share this with the next generation of visual artists and content creators. Get a head start in your contributions to this emerging and explosive digital age. Start with the basics of visual language like composition and framing. Learn the language of light. Get more control over your visuals by learning how to shoot in manual, and much more. Sign up early and book your spot now. See you there.